Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set the coordinate system of your Juniper Uinta projects. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've opened up Uinta and I'm at my home screen, my project home screen, and I'm going to head to the top right corner where the three bars are to open up my side menu. And within my side menu here, I'm going to select Settings and then Location Settings. And what you're going to see here is I've got a bunch of different options that I can change, including my antenna height and my geoid file, but I'm going to want to select my coordinate system option, and you're going to see here in this new location settings menu that I have an option for a display coordinate system and what is selected. So what I can do right now, it's set to others, so I have a northing and easting coordinate system selected, but let's say I want to use my latitude and longitude for my position. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that drop down and select WGS 84 latitude and longitude. And you can see here that it's now displaying my coordinates in decimal degree, but let's say I don't want to use my latitude and longitude. Let's say I want to use a set coordinate system like I had before. What I'm going to do is from the dropdown, I'm going to select Other and the Specify. And you can see here right now I have the NAD83 CSRS UTM Zone 11 selected. But let's say I want to use a different zone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the plus button on the right there. It's going to open up all my available files here, and there's a whole pile of them. You can see there are 6,100 results. So what I can do is I can narrow this a bit, and as I am a proud-blooded Canadian here, I'm going to type in Canada and see what I have as options. Again, I'm going to select this NAD83 CSRS Statistics Canada Lambert option. You're going to see that I get a nice big orange option down at the bottom once I've selected it. I'm going to press that. That's going to take me back to my location settings. And if I hit Save Changes, that is going to lock in my coordinate system for all of my projects to be this NAD83 CSRS Statistics Canada. And for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you set a coordinate system inside of Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.